subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Galaxy Fold, the company is now gearing up to launch its another foldable smartphone under W series, which is set to call Samsung W20 5G smartphone. Recently, a post on Chinese social media site Weibo shows the teaser image of Samsung W20 5G foldable phone. This upcoming foldable phone will be most likely the successor to the last year launched Samsung W2019 smartphone, which is a clamshell phone. But this time, instead of physical keypad, we could be seeing an full display which folds in the middle, similar to Galaxy Fold. Earlier this week at Samsung Developer Conference, the company has teased their upcoming foldable smartphone with clamshell design that matches with the leaked teaser poster of Samsung W20 5G phone that shows the device in partially opened position with display on top emitting light, and it may also have secondary display at the top of the fold. The Samsung W20 5G phone will clash with Motorola's upcoming Razr foldable phone, which is set to launch on November 13th. And recently, the images of the phone were leaked online that showed its clamshell design. The Samsung W20 5G smartphone will be the company's second foldable phone that is set to launch sometime in November. Apart from this, there is no other details of Samsung W20 5G phone has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Samsung W20 5G phone, and we'll come to know more detail about the smartphone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.